Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm here to tell you where you can find good deals on vacuum cleaners. First, before you decide to go buy a vacuum cleaner, usually people don't buy vacuum cleaners that often. If you buy one, you're going to have it for quite a while. So research first and find out what kind of vacuum cleaner fits your needs best, and read the reviews. Especially with vacuum cleaners, it's very, very helpful. You can see what other people have said about them. So when you do go out to look for a good deal on one, if you see one at a yard sale or a consignment sale, you may say, hey, I know why they don't want this vacuum that looks brand new. I don't want it either. So you need to think about what kind you want, obviously, what's going to fit your needs. This one's for pet hair. It's got detachments. You can carry this part around the house and vacuum ceiling fans and whatnot. This one is obviously a really good quality vacuum. It's an older model and it still works just as good as new. Nowadays, a lot of them don't have vacuum bags. They just have these traps that you can empty out, and that's really a more earth-friendly alternative because you're not creating more waste with the vacuum bag, and it's easier. It's got a HEPA filter, so it's good for people with allergies. But a good place to go find any kind of vacuum after you read the reviews and find for sales, look in the sale papers, ask your friends if they have any coupons that they've gotten in the mail for 20% off at a local store. Go to consignment sales at churches, go to yard sales. Look on overstock.com. If you found a vacuum that you have to have, go to overstock.com because everything is free shipping. So you can get a great deal on it. It's not going to cost a lot to ship that huge vacuum. eBay is also a good place. If you find something specific you have to have, get on the internet and find it that way. Craigslist, all those places. So I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you find a good deal on a vacuum cleaner.